Starting around 17 September 2023, Bitgert for the most part truly is exchanging at $0.00000026 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.05% in sort of absolute most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is genuinely critical. Brise really has an especially in every practical sense all-out market cap of $103,684,343, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,707,965. This for the most part basically makes Bitgert, Brise, certainly positioning at 190 in the digital currency market in an essentially large manner. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally really is the Bitgert cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Bitgert in a real sense be for the most part lovely worth in 2023? Or so they sort of thought. Is Bitgert in every practical sense, sort of wise venture or beautiful kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they especially thought. Which is genuinely huge. Will Brise cost basically outperform its unsurpassed especially high in a huge manner? These in a real sense in every way that really matters. Are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in a very essentially huge manner, or so they truly thought. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost explicitly by and large is supposed to basically for the most part cross an essentially fundamentally normal value level of $0.00000035. The normal extremely least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the essentially certainly current year ought to sort of be $0.00000034 in a fundamentally significant manner. In addition, Brise can especially arrive at a very truly greatest value level of $0.00000038, exhibiting that Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost for the most part is supposed to really in a real sense cross and in every way that really matters, normal value level of $0.00000035. The normal fundamentally least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the especially by and large current year ought to by and large be $0.00000034 in a sort of significant manner. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Bitgert in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000028 and $0.00000032, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking amazingly. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.00000031, which is very critical. Bitgert value expectation September 2023. Bitgert cost especially is supposed to especially reach between $0.00000031 to $0.00000034 in September 2023. While the kind of typical cost of Brise for the September actually certainly remains around $0.00000032 Bitgert, Brise, value forecast October 2023. The cost for Bitgert in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00000032 and $0.00000035. While the by and large really normal exchanging cost ought to generally explicitly be around $0.00000033, which fundamentally basically is very huge in an essentially significant manner. Bitgert value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the especially greatest cost for Bitgert could for the most part stretch around $0.00000037, certainly exceptionally, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2023 explicitly is $0.00000034, with an especially normal cost of $0.00000035. Bitgert value conjecture December 2023. The for the most part normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could basically commonly go to $0.00000035 toward the finish of December 2023. which basically in every way that really matters is genuinely huge in a by and large significant manner. Brise could especially be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $0.00000038, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.00000034, which most certainly is very huge. Bitgert for the most part truly passed value examination, in the very sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto certainly has been diminished by 6.8% in its kind of current worth in a by and large huge manner in opposition to prevalent thinking. Assuming we sort of look at the extremely current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap for the most part in every practical sense is likewise down, showing how in every practical sense, truly is Bitgert a kind of wise venture or very worth purchasing in 2023. Which explicitly is very huge. Bitgert sort of is confronting a truly tough time jumping aboard with especially truly other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The Brise generally is down to nearly 26.57% in the truly in every practical sense, most recent 7 days in an in every practical sense, essentially huge way. All things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking, the coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for sort of past kind of especially couple of days. The coin could for the most part have extremely sort areas of strength for of however, we don't explicitly truly believe that it would a productive resource in essentially present moment, which really is very huge, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise in every way that really matters in a real sense diminished by 46.523%, killing an incredible exceptionally normal amount of $0.00000023 from its reasonably in every practical sense current worth in an unobtrusive way, or so they by and large thought. This unexpected down fundamentally by and large implies that the coin in every practical sense explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a sort of essentially great sort of, for the most part purchase a valuable open door, for sort of in every way that really matters, speedy speculation, showing that will Brise cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking, essentially commonly high in an actually quite huge manner, in a kind of enormous manner. Bitgert value conjecture 2023 facts. What will explicitly be Bitgert worth in 2023? Or so they essentially sort of thought in a very significant manner. The Brise cost actually basically is gauged to fundamentally sort of arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of $0.00000038, with really least cost of $0.00000034 toward the finish of 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge, which in every practical sense is very critical. Does Bitgert all things considered have a future in a very sort of significant manner in an unpretentious manner? As far as value, Bitgert in every way that really matters in every practical sense has an exceptional reasonably genuinely potential to by and large arrive at new levels.